God, it's starting to rain.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, it is.
Raining?
It's about to, like, pour.
Yeah.
How are you
Let's do it.
joking?
Let's go.
It's about to start pouring.
Dang it. Let's just do it. Ready?
Your
set,
camera's
what
going to get wet.
happened? Let's say
What happened?
It's about to start pouring down
the
rain.
camera's getting wet. Are you joking?
What's up, it's your girls?
In the rain.
We're doing the messy food challenge in the rain because it started raining when we came outside. So
Dakota's already waiting.
I'm gonna watch Leah. I'm watching.
Oh, yeah, I'm watching Leah.
The pirate returns. This is still tied from the. I can't get it.
All right,
on.
go. You gotta ask the question again.
What was my first dog's name?
Oh, Grap. Your first dog's name. I don't know. Guys. Sadie. No.
Sadie, what's up?
Oh my God, it stinks.
I'm about to throw up.
The smell.
I'm literally gonna throw up.
Can I take this off?
Yeah.
You hate that. Hit me with it.
What was my first?
Oh my God.
What was my first?
Someone's
Cat's
into my
name.
driveway.
Isn't that your grandfather?
No.
Answer this question. Answer Great. It's rotten. If you couldn't tell. What's my first cat's name?
You didn't have a cat.
Yes, I did.
Clever.
Alright, then that's wrong. That's wrong.
Wait till the car gets out of my driveway. That's not cat's name. I don't know. You didn't have a cat.
Oh my gosh, I'm about to.
Ew, it's like hard.
How do I work?
Oh God, I want that black thing.
The whole thing goes for me.
What's my favorite song?
Hannah Montana or something. You're the highest
I'm sweet.
What was the first sport I ever played?
The what?
Sport. What's the
Soccer.
No.
Hey, I mean, Leah.
Wrong.
Oh.
I'm throwing up.
Is it your turn now? Do you want to go that way or this way? I'll go.
I'm puking.
It's in my mouth. It's all over my face.
Can I like get this off of me?
We have it all over us, girlfriend.
Okay. Okay, I'm ready for me.
Lava girl, look.
Ew, I stink.
Ew, literally look at my teeth.
Will you hurry? Because I'm
Can you see this?
Oh my God, I smell so bad.
Okay, are you covered up, Katie?
No.
Cover your face.
No.
Okay, ready? What's my least favorite show on Disney Channel?
Shake it up.
I'm like crying red right now.
Okay, cover yourself up.
Katie, this tastes disgusting. Katie's like,
Okay, what is the only kind of food I don't like?
What did you just say?
Corn.
Yes, word. I'm literally gonna throw up.
Ew, what was that?
I hate strawberry syrup. I hate strawberry syrup. That's the only reason why I did it for you, because you said that they were
What do I look like? A steak?
Plus.
The
my dad.
Heck, I don't know, like 40? 41? Kill me. Wait, she's not done. Leah, are you literally joking me? Are you joking? Is this like... Leah, you have got to be kidding me. I'm literally gonna gag. I'm gonna gag. It's turning into like literal grits.
Okay, who hasn't covered himself up?
You gotta ask the question.
Hey, at least the rain might wash me off.
Yeah.
What's my favorite emoji?
The black moon. That's right. Oh. Wait, you already broke it? Oh. You got it on me more than her. Stop! You literally did me way worse than everybody else. You have got to be kidding me. Stop! Enough. That's it.
My turn?
Yeah.
I'm gonna fall. Dorothea! What the heck? Oh my god, she has the worst stuff. Why? What the world?
Katie, what bone did I break when I was 6?
Your arm. Your I didn't break a bone. What is that? You missed. Oh no! It's hot chocolate. It's fine. It's like 5-day-old hot chocolate.
I hate hot chocolate.
I'm crying.
Leah, name 2 of my family members' names.
Harley and something.
What is that?
Sophie? From Sophie. Oh my god, what's that? That smells good. Is this like Fun Dip or something? No, it's like the other one. That smells good. It's on. Ew, it's like burning. It's burning. It's burning. Here, mine smells okay. Oh, that's a yellow. Oh my goodness. If you use tuna on me, I will throw up.
Making a mixture.
Alright, what's the question?
Name 2 of my celebrity crush.
Zac Efron and I don't know. Wait. Oh, I'm puking. Oh. What is I peed. No, we gotta hurry. We're not even halfway through, are we? Or, yeah, we are. Oh, yeah. Not really. Oh,
It smells so gross. It's on my hand.
It flew into Leah's mouth. I hate tuna. I flew up.
Y'all, it's on my hands and it smells so bad.
All right.
Y'all ready?
I hate tuna. I just threw.
Go to your mom. Leah, your mom's calling.
Just, well, we can't really answer. Just can't answer. We need to hurry up. Your mom thinks we're dying. Okay. I just threw up. I am throwing up. I did throw up. For real.
Alright.
Okay.
What is the
Oh my god,
name
Dorothy.
of my
I'm
doctor?
moving. What'd you just say?
What's the name of my doctor?
Dr. Laura? Oh my god, it says peas. I'm about to throw up. Let's just help me. I still have mine. Yay. What is my mom's middle name? What? Ashley. Ashley.
No.
Teresa. Jessica. What is that? It's gravy. Look at it. Close your eyes, Leah. I'm throwing up. What's my brother's middle name?
Yeah, there's like pea juice in it.
James?
Oh, no.
Yeah, I used that on one knee. Are you gonna stop? How old is my dad?
36. I'm trying to copy my swagger. I'm so scared because she says she's coming after me. Do a lot of what?
Alright.
What is this?
my
This is
God.
mayonnaise.
Ew.
It's like drying out my mouth. It's actually really fun to play with.
Ew.
Ew! I'm joking. I throw my hair. It's like. What?
Did you not feel that?
Petty.
Okay, what's my grandmother's name?
Betty.
Patty.
Madison. Show it to the camera. Ew, that's so warm.
Oh my god, that looks disgusting. I'm about to throw up. Do you see it?
It looks like baby puke.
I'm literally throwing up.
Dorothy, I'm literally throwing up.
What's my middle name?
And Dorothy. Go behind her so they can see. Eubanks?
That's my last name.
Oh my word! That is the worst one! She's so dramatic.
Your mom is calling again.
Leah, close your eyes.
Hey, whatever.
What is Lady Gaga's full name?
Oh God. Lady Annabelle.
What?
Stay behind her.
Holy crap.
I'm puking.
I'm actually throwing up.
There's pepper. Go get me some waters in my eyes. Leah, man up. Somebody go inside and get it. Just go.
We're all gross.
Here, just get a can opener while you're at it.
Oh, there's no more bottles of water left anyways.
This isn't that dirty right here. It's not really dirty at all. Oh, my turn. But I can't cover my eyes. I have mayonnaise hands. I want her. You might do it if I was.
Oh, Leah, that's me.
Where?
Give me the nastiest one.
There's no way you can reach it. Yes, I can. Put my hand to it.
I'm sorry.
No way you can. Leave my hands to it. You want to to a bush? It's over there.
What color are my eyes?
Green.
This is old, by the way. Oh man, I was going for your face.
It smells like stinky feet.
I'm puking.
Look, smell the bottle.
That does not smell like jelly at all. Oh, Lord. I can't really smell it.
Are you okay, Leah?
I smell like.
I don't know what this is.
Oh, sun.
Okay,
Yay.
how long has my mom been a teacher?
I don't know, 18 years.
Actually, I think I might be right.
Yeah.
Oh,
What is that?
it looks like a poo.
Poison sauce, whatever that is.
Yeah,
This
still
burns.
Your skin.
Yes.
Can I please?
burns? Where is Leah?
Still rinsing her face.
What'd she even get that was so bad?
This chair right here got it worse.
Jalapenos in my face. I got this too.
Yeah.
I got in your face. In your face. Leah, just try
No, stop it. No.
Don't tell me what to do. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.
Yo, girls. Bye.
Like and subscribe.
What else do we say?
What? I'm puking.
That hurts.
Follow us on Twitter. Comment ideas below. Smells like stinky feet.
This is really
I'm going to take a
nasty.
shower. Goodbye. I'm going.